Good evening. My name is Pooja S. Rao. I want to share some views on the topic consumer awareness. Who is a consumer? In layman's language, consumer is a person who purchases the product and consumes it. But according to Consumer Protection Act 1986, a consumer means a person who buys the good which is paid under the scheme of deferred payment and it includes that consumer who obtains the good for self-consumption purpose, and it does not include that consumer who obtains the goods for resale purpose. For example, a medical store. A medical store purchases medicines from a market, but a medical store can't be included as a consumer because they purchase medicines for resale purpose. Consumer rights. Consumer right. Right to safety. Consumer has a right. It means consumer has a right to protect from the goods which are hazardous in nature. Right to be informed. It means consumer should have complete information about the product. Right to choose. It means the consumer has a right to choose any product. Right to be heard. It means the consumer can file a case against any. Consumer can file a complaint in any consumer court because of defective goods. Responsibilities of the consumer. Before buying the product, the consumer should see an expiry date, manufacture date and a correct price, quantity, etc. He should read the labels carefully. After purchasing the product, a consumer must ask for a cash memo from the seller which would serve as a proof of purchase, so that whenever he or she finds defect in goods, he or she can file a complaint with the help of cash memo. Three-tier redressal machinery. In three-tier redressal machinery, we have district forums, state commissions, national commission. District forum, it is set up in the district. State commission, it is set up in each state, and national commission is set up by the central government. The consumer can file a case in district forum if the case is below 20 lakhs. If the consumer can file a case in state commission if the case is above 20 lakhs and below 1 crore, and consumer can file a complaint in national commission if a case is more than 1 crore. Standardization marks. Standardization marks are the marks which help the consumer, which ensures good quality of the product at reasonable price. In first, there is FPO mark we usually find in food products. ISI mark we usually find in electronic goods. The third is AG mark we usually find in oil products, and fourth is hallmark we usually find in golds, etc. Thank you.